What's up, guys? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we got 2017 Toyota rav4, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install a new one. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. These are the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That is what this channel is about. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing you want to do is take this silver trim off. My hand, pull that. See if I can just use my fingers. Yeah, good old fingers. All right, set that down there. Next we have the AC vents. Go ahead and just use them good old finger strength. Ain't nothing but some clips, baby. See if I can't put this panel removal tool down here on the bottom. There we go. All right, we got vent number one. Now we're gonna come over here, do the same thing. Use the fingers at the top. Use the removal tool for the clip at the bottom. There we go. All right, that's that vent. Next we got this part right here. I don't even know if this even needs to come out. Yeah, I think it does. So let's just put a small little panel removal tool back there. Put that same tool right here. Pop that guy out, and this is where your passenger airbag and your hazard lights are. We don't necessarily have to touch that. We're just gonna fold it up because we just need to get to these two 10 mils at the top, and then we have two more 10 mils at the bottom, and guess what? We'll have that radio out. Now that we have all those 10 mils out of there, that thing comes out just like that. Then disconnect all these harnesses. And as you can see, we have that radio out. Now let's get over here to our bench, get that dash prep, get this thing wired up, and get back inside the car. All right, so we're over here on the bench about to get this dash prep. I will have the links in the description for you, at least as many as I can. I have at least had the product names for you, but either way, this is the dash kit that's going on for this aftermarket Kenwood, the 7706. First thing you want to do is turn it around and grab these right here, and you want to place them in the correct spot. So as you can see, there are two different types, and I've already done these over here so you can see what they look like. But this longer one, you want to put it right here, and as you can see that, well, you probably can't see that. Boom, got the light. All right, so when we place that right here, that's gonna go over that hole, and this one is gonna go over this hole. And then now we take the screws that came with it, and you want to screw those in just like this side. And then for the top one, you just wanna go ahead and line up the holes just the same way that we did on the bottom one. Put the screw in on that side, and then put the screw in on that side. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up real quick. All right, so now that we got those screwed in, we want to go over here and take the clips off of this. That's one thing that the dash kit should have had in it. At least my dash kit did not have the clips inside of it, but you want to take that clip and then just place it right here, and do that for the other three. All right, so next you want to take these brackets, and you want to actually take the screws that came with the radio, and you want to screw those in. Now, one thing that I usually do to kind of make sure that I have it lined up when you have a dash kit like this is I'll go ahead and put the radio in just like that, and then I will take this, put that in right here to kind of see where it's going to sit flush. Now I just want to take my screws and probably line it up like that, put one in the front, take it out, and put one in the back, probably right there. All right, y'all, so with two screws on the left and two screws on the right, when we mount that boy in here, it is going to look like that, real nice light. Now let's get this thing wired up and get back inside the car. All right, y'all, we are back inside the car. We have everything wired up. Now, if it was your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over this part? Where here at the channel, I have over 200 different radio install videos, and it would take too much time to go over how to wire up a radio every single time. So to save time, I actually made one video showing you how to wire up a radio. I go over different wire colors, what they mean, different ways to connect them, and all that type of stuff. That link is in the description, and that card is down in the corner. That way I can keep these videos short, sweet, straight to the point, detailed, and as efficient as possible. Yes, every car is different, but as long as you know what the aftermarket wire colors mean, then you will know how to wire up pretty much any radio. Now, if you want to be a furthermore supporter to get some of that behind the scenes footage, some help troubleshooting, more of like a one-on-one type situation, that Patreon link is in the description as well. But for now, let's go ahead and get this thing pushed back into the cavity so you can see what it looks like and how it performs when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. Looks like we never took it out. We also have the USB extension right here, so she can use her Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you guys want to see that video, I will link that in the description. That card will be in the corner as well. We got the steering wheel controls working, all that good stuff, man. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. And until next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Product links in the description. And the Patreon link is also in the description, man. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.